Well, a few years back, I got this call in the middle of the night from an old client. And he just said, I think I'm about to relapse. And you could hear it in his voice, that edge, that panic. But I didn't give him a lecture. I just said, okay, but before you do, just play the tape forward. Tonight, it feels like a good idea. That first drink, the cold glass, the sound of the pour, the brief warmth that hits the chest. But that's just the dopamine talking, the anticipation. By tomorrow morning, well, that's when the hangover begins. The anxiety, the fear. You'll feel like you're falling into that same vortex of crap you spent the past 3 months crawling out of. And you're going to have to deal with that crap. You're going to have to deal with the wanting another drink just to get the monkey off your back. And maybe you skip work. The emails pile up. Your partner's eyes harden. Kids get quiet. There you are again, standing in the wreckage of a night that promised escape and delivered regret. Whatever the catalyst, it's only going to get worse tomorrow when you have to deal with the situation and the hangover. And there was a long silence, and he said softly, yeah, I remember this part. And he hung up. The next morning a message came. He didn't drink. And I just sat there thinking, sometimes that's all recovery is, right? Not grand gestures, not endless willpower, just someone helping you press play on the film that hasn't happened yet. So you can see how the story ends. That's what playing the tape forward means for me. That's what it really means. Because the first drink is always filmed in soft light. It's the trailer, right? But if you keep watching, the colors drain, the music slows, the credits roll over the same familiar loneliness. And my job isn't to take the bottle out of someone's hand. It's to hand them the remote. Remind them they've seen this movie before. It sure doesn't end well.